Alright, on today's episode of What You Cooking. So today we're gonna do a little spicy steak and some rice. Not Caribbean style, but close enough. So let's start off with the steak. But before that, we already have this heating up on low. As you see, I keep the stove clean, so you know. So we're gonna take a little onion just for flavor. We're just gonna put that in there. I got it on low. Just give myself cookie time and messing with y'all. We're gonna take a little bit of that habanero right there. So next we're gonna take some oil. We're gonna massage this a little bit. Doing all this one-handed, so yes, my hands are very clean, so I'll be talking shit. Alright, let's season it up. It's garlic. Now there's a typical myth of over seasoning, which you can, so we're only gonna season one side. We don't have to season both because we're gonna cook this down, and then also too with the flavor. So I'm only doing one side. This is where you control your salt. Next one is we're putting everything in it. And last but not least, oh, that's all we need. Alright, so you're just gonna take this. Look, instant stick. Instant stick. You see that? Boom, we're already seasoned up. We still got all the seasoning left in the plate. Boom. And because this is a thinner steak, you don't have to do big for what I'm doing. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this inside the pan. We're gonna put this in the pool, swirl around a little bit because it's not on high heat. We wanna get both sides. Remember, I'm not trying to really cook this like that because it's gonna cook when I put all the rest of the stuff in here. We don't need it on high heat. We just want to cook this for a little bit because I don't like my steak tender. I mean, hard. I like tender. You know, like medium raw. I like mine personally like that. So I'm gonna show y'all. So next, we're gonna transfer the veggies and the rest of the stuff. We just want to put a little bit of steak seasoning on there. And we're gonna put this in the pot. Now, back over here, I turn the heat up just a little bit. I'm telling y'all what I mean by what I'm talking about. Tender, soft, delicious. Only really just sit on for like 2 minutes, if that, because it's thin. And the way I want this to cook in the pan, I want to sauce it. I want the sauce to cook it. I don't want to fry it. I want the sauce to cook it. Look at that. Look at the oil. Look at the flavor. I'm just really spraying that around and I'm checking it. That's all I wanted right there. So now we're gonna, because this is where I want it, I want to transfer it to the plate. Now we're gonna take our veggies. And all I want to do is open them up just a little bit. We're gonna let this cook for 2 minutes. So we go from there. And now that we've done that, we want to take 2 cups of water. That's one. 2 cups of water. Now we want to take a little beef bouillon. Say about 2 tablespoons. So now we want to take the steak. Want to pour that up in there. Put it back in the pool. Put it in the hot tub. We went from the pool to the hot tub. And we're just gonna put the veggies and some things on top. So now, remember our plate from earlier? We'll take a little water. And we're gonna put on our plate. Take our fork. We don't want no seasoning. We're gonna set that plate on top. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna set this timer for 16 minutes. In the meantime, let's put this stuff up. I cook. I do it all. It's the top ramen. Now, if you don't believe me, go get you some. You like to clean up. So look at this. So whatever I need, I have. I mean, I'm a spice rack. So if you say you cook, you don't look like this, I don't want to hear nothing. Roller pin, little thing right here. Yeah, that's what we do. All right, y'all, let's do a taste test, flavor test. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, ooh, that's really good. Okay, let's bring it around. So the problem is, I want this thicker. So we're gonna add a little cornstarch, not flour. We want this thicker. It goes better with rice, potatoes, whatever you got going on. Don't pour it all in one spot. Now I know you like, that's a lot of gravy, but guess what? It's King over there. It's King. He wants some of his kibbles and bits down there. And this is why we use cornstarch, not flour. Look at that. See how quick that thickened up? Now this is ready to my standards. So we're gonna drip that. Now let's turn this back low. Let's put that top on. Let's put this in the sink. Man, look at y'all. My bad. I didn't even, I was so hungry, I didn't even wait to make the plating video because it was that good. A boy can cook. It was that good, trust me. I couldn't wait. I was like, okay, it's done. But what I'll do is later, I'll put a, I'll put together some more rice because I'm out of the rice, and I'll put together something just so y'all can see a little plating just for y'all. Bet. All right, y'all enjoy y'all day. That's my Sunday dinner. And I'm freshly shaved. Look at that. Ooh, wee, looking good, boy. I'm trying to tell you.